Hi, my name is Nicholas Fletcher Holmes and I'm here in Hobson & Holmes in the UK. Today we're going to give Sarah the ultimate glossy blow dry using products from Kerasilk. We're going to be starting with taming balm, liquid cuticle filler and then finishing off with a flat iron spray. For the ultimate smoothing effect, I like to prep the hair with smoothing shampoo and then finish off with the smoothing mask. When working on hair like this, I love to use the taming balm from Kerasilk. The shea oil in it really helps to provide nourishment and smoothness, while the liquid cuticle filler restores the hair's surface for brilliant shine. For additional shine, make sure to use the nozzle on the end of your dryer. That's going to really concentrate the heat and smooth that cuticle layer down even further. For a final layer of polish, I love to use a flat iron spray before finishing with my favourite straighteners. I like to finish with a multi-benefit oil just through the ends to add extra definition. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to check out more inspiring content on the Kerasilk official YouTube channel.